The 5th generation DM is on sale. The 2025 BYD Tang DM-i is available starting at 179,800 yuan. The 2025 Tang DM-i continues the current Longyan style in terms of appearance. Some models are equipped with blackened sports kits, especially reflected in the blackened chrome trim strips in the middle of the front face, the lower air intake and heat dissipation holes, and the Tang logo passes through the decorative strips. The shape of the headlights on both sides is still very sharp, and the two sides of the front frame are equipped with guide groove designs. The suspended roof and fastback shape continue on the side. The length, width and height of the new car are 4870/1950/1725 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,820 mm. It is worth mentioning that the 2025 Tang DM-i is equipped with a brand new Weiyang Gray. This car color was first launched in 2025 Han, and can be seen to account for 40% of new car purchases. The unique Chinese cultural connotations and Oriental luxury and attractive color scheme are very attractive. In terms of color matching process, Weiyang Gray uses completely artificial purple pearlescent light with high purity, no color change, and 2 different particle sizes. It is made of aluminum oxide flakes coated with a thin layer of metal iron oxide. At the same time, in terms of color characteristics, Weiyang Gray reflects completely different situations when illuminated by different light sources such as low light and high light. The tail continues the transition-type tail light group design, with traditional Chinese knot elements integrated on both sides of the lamp group, making it extremely recognizable. In addition, both sides of the rear perimeter are equipped with deflection groove shapes, forming a design effect reflecting the front and rear perimeter. In terms of interior, the overall style of the new car is simple and luxurious, equipped with a 12.3-inch full LCD display and a 15.6-inch adaptive rotating central control screen. The steering wheel adopts a double-spoke flat-bottom design, contributing to the sporty atmosphere inside the car. The car is equipped with a high-end version of the intelligent cockpit, D-Link 100, and the user interface has also been optimized and upgraded, making it more visually impressive and easier to control. In terms of configuration, the new car retains the 50W wireless fast charging feature for mobile phones, which improves the charging speed of mobile phones, and adds an air outlet to the wireless charging pad to prevent the mobile phone from heating up during fast charging. In terms of intelligent driving assistance, the new car continues the Intelligent Driving Assistance System D-Pilot, which supports ACC adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, AEB automatic emergency braking, lane departure assistant, blind spot monitoring, door opening warning system and other functions. The 2025 Tang DM-i retains 2+3+2. Family users can fold the 1st to 5th seats in the 2nd and 3rd rows as needed, and freely allocate passenger and luggage space. The 2025 Tang uses the 5th generation DM technology, a new 1.5Ti+EHS200 gold power combination with a maximum engine power of 115 kilowatts, a maximum engine power of 200 kilowatts, a converted comprehensive system power of 310 kilowatts, and a top speed of 200 km per hour. It reaches 100 km per hour in 7.5 seconds. The most important point about fuel consumption is that the new car's feed fuel consumption is 4.95 L/100 km. It also has an ultra-long comprehensive endurance performance of 1,150 km. It also supports the 6 kW VTOL external discharge function. In terms of chassis, the new car comes standard with FSD variable damping suspension system and aluminum alloy multi-link suspension, and high-end models are equipped with Union C intelligent damping body control system. Among them, the FSD frequency variable damping shock absorber can automatically adjust the damping force according to changes in the road surface and flexibly adapt to complex and diverse road conditions.